What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and we are back in BGC and we're doing a shoot. And yeah, let's do this. We can start off with this area kasi magandang backdrop siya. But I have to set up yung flash ko ulit. Alright, so we are heading to another location we've actually been shooting, and I'm not sure if I've introduced our model for today is Jazzmin. Yeah, so we shot last time. It was the first shoot for the year, but there's one location we didn't go to, and that's where we're going right now. Yeah. Alright, and that is a wrap for today's shoot. It is getting too hot, so we're out of here. Grab some food and head home. So yeah, if you liked what we did today, you know, like, subscribe, and they can find you where, Jazz. Do you have any social media you want to plug in?
Yeah. Actually, I am Jazzy, Jazzzy, Era, ERA.
Oh, one word.
Yeah.
And that's Instagram.
That is my Instagram.
Alright. So there you go. Yeah. Until next video.